Hello, my name is Julie Loy, and I am the Research and Instruction Librarian. Today, I will be talking about the importance of using citation software in SearchBox. We will be starting from CUA Library's homepage. Right here, we will do a simple search for green buildings using our SearchBox. We will sign in as a CUA member. By signing in, we have access to all of our holdings in the library. We will click on the first record. Within the record, under Send To, we see various options, including citation, import, and export options, such as RefWorks, EasyBib, Export RIS, EndNote, and Export BibText. Export RIS and Export BibText is where you can download text editor files that can be used in Notepad. For RefWorks, EasyBib, and EndNote, these you can import directly into their platforms. Usually you either have an account that you can set up. The library has a subscription where you can create an account with RefWorks and EndNote. You can create your account if we go back to the home page. Under Research Help, using Citation Tools, we have options for creating an account through RefWorks and EndNote. When creating an account, you must use your CUA email address. Back to our record, I will show you how to import into RefWorks. So here I'm going to click on RefWorks. I am going to import into the newest version and log in. I already have an account created, so I will go ahead and log in. Once I have logged in, you can import references. I am going to select the folder of my choosing that I created beforehand and click the import button. Let's try that again. There we go. So import was complete. I'm going to click OK, and I will see my citation that I just did a few seconds ago. With RefWorks, you can create a bibliography using several different citation style guides, as well as create projects and share with other group members if working on a group project. This is a great tool not only for citation management, but also for conducting research. I hope this tip can help you in your research. Still need help using SearchBox? Email library. Thank you.